Just let the note I wrote to explain why I'm at the middle of the night feeling really sad. This is why. Just wait, I'll read it because this is backwards for you. Yeah. 8:29 p.m. August 29. My bird, named Lucky Mincraftgirl08 bird. Stop. It's really emotional. What do I do next to honor her? Let me just check out, guys. No. 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 Yes, I'll listen to that angel right there. I'll listen to the angel. But I'm not gonna make this that space one. This for no reason. So, guys, pay your respect to my. That was totally funny. Okay, guys, remember to honor, and I hope that you're in home. Remember Lucky, my bird Lucky. Remember her. In her memory, I want people to that'll make her feel better. Because really, her last moments, I'm not lying, I would cry. Here's her. So she's a green bird. Yeah, wait, there's a feather. And he's really special to me. Oh my god. Okay, no more alien. Get out. Ugh, stupid video effects. Don't pay attention to them. Just remember, subscribe for the honor of my bird Lucky. I really love her. So, yeah.